Titan Medical Center has helped me in so many ways. They've helped me in my health, my recovery, my longevity, my lifestyle. I mean, I've been with Titan Medical Center for about over 11 years now, and the things they've done with me is just amazing. Titan Medical is good for everybody. You don't have to be a bodybuilder. You don't have to be into fitness. Obviously, just anyone that's trying to optimize their health, look better, feel better, perform better. Come to Titan Medical Center because they're just amazing group of people and well knowledgeable. And with the peptides Titan Medical provide me, it just helps me out with my energy, with my strength, even with my sleep, my recovery. I mean, I had surgery about a year ago. I had spinal surgery, and the peptides they provided for me, it pushed my recovery like 4 times as fast. I recovered much quicker than average. I healed better, and everything was great. I'm back to normal again finally.